This is the sound card. This is the pop filter. We have the cables for connecting different devices to the sound card and maybe mobile phone. So there are two. We have two of them. Then we have the charging cable. Then this is the microphone itself. This is the microphone cover, and this is the XLR cable to 3.5mm jack. So you can see this end. Then here is the mic holder or shock mount for the microphone. Then we have the clamp. So this clamp will be used to mount the microphone stand to maybe the table. Lastly, we have this shock mount comes with this for connecting it to the stand. Then lastly, we have the stand itself. So this will be connected to the shock mount and connected to the clamp. I'll show you how you can connect and set up everything. So let's continue. You fix the clamp on the table, then you take the stand and clamp it here. So you have to connect the shock mount. You connect the pop filter. So you can adjust this position. Connect the XLR cable to the mic. This end will be connected to the sound card. You will connect this to condenser microphone, this port. If you have a headphone, you can connect here. So for this tutorial, I'll use a headphone to connect here. So this headphone will be used for monitoring this music that is entering and our voice that is entering sound card. We can now test the sound card. We'll connect this end to our device that will be providing a backing track. Then we connect this end to the sound card. We'll plug where it has been written backing track. This end will connect it to our camera. So this end will be plugged at either live 1 or live 2. So let us connect to live 1. We want to test whether our microphone and everything is fine. I have connected the BM800 microphone with the sound card. You can hear that everything is fine. So this knob is used for adjusting the echo. So you can see when I adjust it, the echo of the sound goes up. So I hope you have heard. This controls the volume of the microphone. So when I turn it down, you can hear my my voice goes off. So I have to turn it on. So let me reduce the echo. Then this is controlling the volume of the sound that is going to the video that's being recorded. Then this is bass. So when I turn it down, you can hear my voice. And when I adjust it, you can hear that the bass of the video goes up. Then this controls the treble. And now I want you to hear the effects of this sound card. So you can hear the laughter. So let me reduce this volume. Then this is for the gun. Then then if you want to change your voice, you can use this one, voice change.
So I have changed my voice and you can now hear that my voice is different. Let me change the voice again so that you can hear.
So this is voice number 2 of the sound card from the V8.
This is voice number 3.
This is voice number 4.
I want to show you how backing track works on this microphone. So I'll search for a song. This device that provides a backing track for our video. I won't play that song for a long time because of copyright issues. So this is the song, and because of copyright issues, I won't play it for a long time, so you can hear. Hello, 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 hello. This is Bobby Ice here. Thank you for watching, and please, I beg you subscribe to this channel so that you can help me. I'm very sure that this video was helpful, as that was unboxing, setting up, and showing you how BM800 microphone is connected to a device. So please share this video to your friends and more people. Thank you for watching.